What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the steering wheel not working in Assetto Corsa. So you can see it's not working for me, nor the pedals, and the gearbox is also not working for me. So let's get straight to the point how to fix it. So exit Assetto Corsa, and then go launch Assetto Corsa. After you did that, go to the settings, controls, and you just need to align the steering wheel again. And the other stuff like throttle, brakes, and the clutch. So after I align everything, I'll be back. So see you. Okay, now I have aligned everything, and let's go save the settings and let's test it out. Okay. And it works. So that's how you fix it. It's really quick and simple. And this will also work in Content Manager. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then please like it. And if you want to see more of these tutorials, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in the next one.